In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $29,900 simply coloring images online. All you need to do is just upload your black and white image to this program, which I'm going to show you in a second. Go like this, drag this line over here, and that's how you can make that money. And doing this, you can make 5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 598, $29,900. And all you need to do is, hi everyone, my name is Greg Kononenko. If you are new to my channel, I upload 3 videos per week on making money online, affiliate marketing, and traffic generation. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button just below this video and enable all notifications so that you never miss my future video. Let's get into the method. I also have a list of recommended money-making resources, so make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's get into the method. It's completely possible to make really good money with this simple website that I'm going to show you by simply coloring photos. So you upload a black and white photo just like what you can see here and then drag this line to make this photo colored. This is a high in-demand skill and I'm going to show you an easy way to get paid for simply doing this and a few more ways to make money online with these kind of services. Let me show you something cool. So I'm here on Fiverr and I've just typed in colorized photo to check out the market for this colorized photo type gig. And what I can see here is that there are lots of gigs that are making really good money for doing exactly what I showed you just a moment ago. For example, look at this gig. It says, I will colorize, restore, retouch, repair your old photo. So if we check this out, you will see that the gig is about taking a black and white photo, like what you can see here on the screen on the left, and making it colored. And by simply doing this particular gig has got 592 customer feedback, 592. And in general, about 10% of buyers end up leaving feedback. So if we take 592 and we multiply it by 10, okay, because only 1 in 10 leaves feedback, we can see that there have been at least 6,000 orders for this particular gig. And if we multiplied this by the amount of the gig, so there are, this gig is sold for 7, 15 or 22 Australian, which is basically 5, 10 or 15 US dollars. So even at the very lowest rate, 6,000 orders multiplied by $5 is $30,000 that this simple gig owner would have made just from this one gig. So basically they provide this service and then if somebody needs their photo restored, they will come to Fiverr and they will buy this gig. And there are actually multiple gigs that have made thousands and thousands in sale for this colorized photo. It's a service that is in very, very high demand. So there is a massive opportunity here for you guys. If you wanted to provide a similar service on Fiverr, it would be in high demand and many people are making a lot of sales every single day and you can also do that. And it's actually does not require any Photoshop knowledge or any technical skill. I'm going to show you a website called Colorize SG. So if you just type in Colorize SG into Google, you will be able to find this website and it allows you a very simple way to colorize photos. So once you've posted your gig, you can get into colorize.sg and then look, let's just go try it yourself. And then what I'm going to do is just upload a photo. Okay, so it's asking me now to select a photo. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to just take a black and white photo like this. And you can do this with any black and white photo. So for example, once your customer from Fiverr provides that black and white photo to you, this service will do it for you automatically. All you need to do is just upload the photo and it's instantly colorized. That's how simple and easy it is to actually colorize the photo with Colorize SG. So let's try with another one. If we just go here and let's try to upload a different photo. So I'm going to select a photo, just downloaded a sample black and white photo of a family, like a typical photo that you would get in that gig. So upload black and white photo and once again you can see excellent result. So this is the original black and white photo and this is the colorized version and this is what people will pay $5 for you to just upload that photo and basically download it and then give it back to them because they don't know any other way to do this. So when they've got an old photo, they will need to they all go to Fiverr and they try to find somebody who can colorize a photo for them. I'm going to give you a lot more proof and many other ways to sell your gigs. It is actually not very hard. There are people literally right now posting and asking for somebody to color their photos on a different website. I'm going to show that to you a little bit later on in the video. But another service that you can provide that is similar to colorizing these photos is to remove background, which is also very, very easy. Once again, you don't need to know Photoshop. You can do this from anywhere in the world, any country. And if we just type in remove background, you will see that there are lots of gigs that are extremely successful. So check this out. For example, this gig here has had 598 feedback, and all they do is it says, I will cut out images, background, remove professionally. Okay, so the customer who orders this gig, they would get in here and they would provide a picture like that. And after you use the service that I'm going to show you, the end result is like this. So here are some others. So here are glasses that are lying on a table, and then the background is removed just like that. And people pay $5 US for this service. Okay, but you could provide this service on Fiverr, and as you can see, it's in high demand. There are thousands and thousands of orders for many of these gigs, and many of them have had tens of thousands of orders, like this one here, 984 feedback. And there are even higher feedback gigs on here if you just have a look for yourselves. Now, to do this very, very simply and easily, you can use this service Remove BG. So let me demonstrate to you how this works. If I upload an image, all right, and I just take this image, this is a sample image. For example, when I make my YouTube thumbnails, I remove background as well. All right, here we go. It'll probably be easy if I show you the original image because it just works so quickly. So I take a photo like that on the green cloth that I've got here on the door. I put it here on the door in my office, all right? And that's the sort of image that I take for my thumbnails. And then I need to remove background. And many people don't know how to do this background removal, or maybe they need it for their other images. For example, if they've got an online store, they need images for their products, and they will get onto Fiverr and they will ask people to remove the background images for them. So what you can do after you get this order, you can charge people $5 for this. Look how quick it is. So you just go into remove.bg and then you click on, see where it says here, upload image. So then you just pick your image, and here is the image that I'm picking, this one here. All right, hopefully you can see it's a little bit small, but that's that image with the green background. And then I'm just going to click open and it uploads it, and then it just removes the background quickly, instantly, like this. Okay, and that's the end result. You can just download this image and send it back to the customer who has ordered it from you. That's why for many of these gigs, you will actually notice there are gigs that are saying, I will do 100 images background removal. Okay, because it's so quick and many people want to do it in bulk, for example, for their online stores. So you can provide that service where you just do lots of 10 or 50 or 100 in one go, because it's so quick to actually get that done using remove.bg. So you might be wondering if there is actually demand for this, and if you decided to do this today, could you actually make sales? Well, you've already seen it here. Let me just show you once again. If you look at the gigs here, remove background, you can see how many gigs have made thousands of sales. So 598 feedback, that's 6,000 sales. 119 feedback, that's over 1,000 sales. 673 feedback, that's over 6,000 sales. So these kind of gigs are extremely popular. However, with Fiverr, I know that a lot of you feel that Fiverr is oversaturated, which it's not. You can actually jump on here today and you will make sales if you market yourself properly and if you structure your gig similar to some of these other leading gigs, okay? But I'm going to show you a couple of other ways that you can sell this service where people are screaming out for it and they just really want somebody to take care of their background removal and also of colorizing their images. So one place which you can check out is People Per Hour, and on peopleperhour.com you can go into search and you can search freelancers. All right, so if you need something done, so for example, you need, let's say you've got a photo on which you would like to have background removed. All right, so you as a typical customer, customers will come here and they'll go and start searching freelancers, and they will say, I need an image removed, a background removed from my image, and they will post their job. As a freelancer though, so that's what you would be doing trying to make money, you could jump onto this option here which says search projects, and let's see, there are some real people wanting to have their backgrounds removed right now. Check this out. So I have just typed in remove background, I'm going to click enter, and you will see here images processing, background removal, touch up and resize. So someone is willing to pay $63 for this work, and this was posted 7 hours ago. There have already been some proposals, okay? And with the proposals, it means obviously that someone has provided a quote. So you could quote a lot lower than this because you know that you don't need to use Photoshop or do anything crazy like that. You can just use the service remove.bg. But take a look at these requests from people: images processing, background removal, touch up, and size. It says experience level entry, so they're not looking for someone who's super experienced or anything like that. It says I'm looking for someone to edit and touch up a set of images that I have to prepare them by removing the background, brightening up, and sizing them to a specific size. So total 60 images, it's $1 per image, and you've seen that this only takes literally seconds to do. So you could easily bid for this job. And look how many people are searching for remove background work right now. It's a very popular service. They are sorted by relevancy over here, but basically you can see some were posted 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 16 hours ago, 5 days ago, 4 days ago. So every single day there are multiple people on people per hour that post projects looking for quotes. Now this is only a small size of the market because a lot of people just contact freelancers directly. So you should definitely go to peopleperhour.com and register your profile over here, because many times people will actually contact you directly. What we can see here is just a very small percentage of the overall size of the market. There is also one more place where you can easily sell the skills that I've just shown you, and that place is SEO Clocks. So the link for that is seoclock.com, or you can just Google it. And let's type in remove background and see how many sales the people who have listed their gigs on here are making. So this one here, 20 Photoshop background remove service, okay, and it's $5. And look, they've had 837 feedback, which means that they've made over 8,000 sales. 8,000 sales, if we multiply that, okay, 8,000 sales, multiply that by $5, it's $40,000 that this simple gig has made. So as you can see, there's a ton of demand for this service on a number of websites. So you should definitely go ahead and register your profile on all of these websites. So on seoclark.com, on People Per Hour, as well as on Fiverr. And from a multitude of these channels, you should be able to get so much work that you'll probably have to knock clients back because of the demand. And once again, if you think Fiverr is overcrowded, it is not. If you keep scrolling down this list, you will see that there's just all of these gigs are making thousands and thousands of sales, even all the way down the list. All the way at the bottom of page 1, look at this gig. It's made 716 feedback, so over 7,000 sales. I will remove background, enhance product photo within a few hours. Okay, so you can definitely get a slice of this market there on Fiverr, because Fiverr promotes new product sellers, so you should definitely be able to get some exposure. That's it. Don't forget to check the list of recommended money-making resources in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click the like button and leave me a comment just below. Next, after that, watch these couple of videos. I'm gonna put the links up here on the screen. They're gonna show you more awesome ways to make money online, and also click the subscribe button and enable all notifications. Thank you. See you in the next video.